Oh, Father, tell me we get what we deserve. Oh, we get what we deserve. And way down we go. Oh, 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 oh. And way down we go. Oh, 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 oh. Say way down we go. Ooh, ooh. Way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the fun, do you dare to look them right in the eyes? Oh, 'cause they will run you down till the dark, yeah. And they will run you down till you fall, yeah. And they won't run you down till you go, yeah. So you can go no more. And way down we go. Oh, 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 oh. And way down we go. Oh, 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 oh. And way down we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh, 'cause they won't run you down till you fall. And way down we go. Oh, 'cause they will run you down until you fall. Oh, and they will run you down until you. And way down we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, and way down we go. Way down we go. Way down we go.
Heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah, hallelujah.